Hello, I'm Vadim, and today I'll be showing you how to install Fusion using Linux. This will be a quick video, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure you install Nagios products using the manual method for production environments. There's a separate video that you could find linked below. To install Fusion using Linux, you can navigate to nagios.com, then hover over Products on the top and click Nagios Fusion. Then you want to click Get Started Free. You could get additional guides, release updates, and exclusive support when you fill out the information on the right. Otherwise, go to Downloads below. You want to click on the Linux Penguin. Then you could download now from here and install the tar.gz file or view installation guide method. In our example, we're going to be installing through the command line. Now we want to open up our CentOS 9 VM that we have running. For the quick method, you want to open up your terminal or command line and enter in the following command. This curl command will automatically get the latest version of Fusion, then it'll execute and install. After hitting enter, it'll begin installing Fusion. In my example, we're going to be installing using the manual method. Here are the commands to install using the manual method. We want to go into the temp folder, so we'll type in cd/temp. Then we'll type in wget https assets.nagios.com /downloads /Nagios Fusion /Fusion latest .tar.gz. After that downloads, you want to type in tar xzf and then that file that we just downloaded, which is fusion-latest .tar.gz. Then click enter. Then we want to change directories into Nagios Fusion, so we'll type in cd Nagios Fusion. Now we could type in /full install. It'll ask us if we want to continue installing Nagios Fusion installer. We'll type Y and click enter. Then it'll begin installing Nagios Fusion. After it is done, you'll be met with an IP address. We want to navigate to this IP address using a browser. And here you can find some installation settings. You have general program, time zone, and theme settings. We will change this password to something simple like welcome. For obvious reasons, change this to a more complex password in your environment. We will change the time zone to Central Time, and we'll change the theme to Modern Dark. Then we'll click Install. Now we have completed the installation, and here's our username and password. We will click Login, and we'll enter in the username and password we have just created. And then after reading the license agreement, click this checkbox and press Submit. And you should now see the Fusion home screen. And now you have installed Fusion in your environment. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, check out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next one.